A day in the life of a pre-K teacher. Let's get started. First stop, kitchen. I make the bleach bottles for the entire school. Next, I set up the baby room. That's right, I set up the baby room so I can receive the first baby. Then I prepare to do my daily checklist. After I do the daily checklist, it's time to set up the next classroom, so let's go. I set up this classroom and receive kids in here. Oh, Danielle, like the Christmas tree. Okay, Miss Ashley, I see you and the little artwork on the wall. Now we're in my room. This is where the magic happens. Y'all, I absolutely love my pre-K class. My kids are amazing. They love to learn and they are just so much fun. Oh, right here we're getting ready to play a little game. That's right, a little game. Guys, you could take anything and make it into a game. I love to use music. They go around the room. We do a little scavenger hunt. They match the words on the board. We have a good time. This is game number 2 for today. Magic in a Christmas can. Now my kids love art. We enjoy making our very own Christmas ornaments. I cut out the middle of a paper plate and covered it with foil. I gave them some Q-tips and paint, and they enjoy designing and decorating their own ornaments, and I'm gonna hang those up later.
A few moments later.
Well, y'all, I'm off for work. Didn't finish the day due to the fact tomorrow my kids are putting on a winter Christmas concert. It is going to be fabulous, and therefore I will be doing a real late shift. So with that being said, baby, let me stop talking. We need to go on to Walmart and I need to find this cute baking stuff they say that they have. But let's go in the store and see if they got it. Come on.
just coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand you let me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Thank you for coming to work with me today, hanging out with me, even though it was short. Now, tomorrow is the winter concert, so I'm going to show y'all how I prepare for that, and pray that my kids do a wonderful job, which I know they will. I'll talk to you soon. Toodles. Love you. Bye.